You're not gonna win nothing.
I'm gonna win, I just said.
How did you... What?
Guys!
Hey, Will. What do we got here?
Guys.
Whoa. What are you eating? Chips and grapes? Alright, what do we got, Will? What is this thing?
A foosball table.
That's right. Foosball table.
A giant foosball table.
It's the Triumph 48-inch Play and Stow Quick Connect soccer table with bonus LED light up foosball. Ready to play?
Yeah.
Alright, let's set it up.
Whoa.
Alright, we got everything out of the box almost, and we have another little box inside. I think those are the soccer players. And here is the foosball table. So let's get this thing out. Oh, look at that. Yeah, it has the legs already.
I guess we don't need to fill it. Just put the players on. Ready?
Alright, let's lift this side up. Okay, careful. And I'm gonna use legs right here. We got the table set up almost, and the next step, we just did this step, is to attach these side pieces that are right there on the ground. Keep turning it. Let me get this box out of here. Hey, what's she doing under there?
I don't know. I'm scoring and doing good. Did it.
Good job.
Now what do we do? Now what do we do?
Let's find out.
So we're already setting up the thing, and we're ready to play. And the ball's ready.
Oh, you okay? We gotta put these things on. All right.
So we don't.
Yeah, exactly. That's what these are for, so you don't stab yourself with the metal pole.
Ouch! Ouch!
Push it in. That's it. Isn't that better? Let me get this side.
Hey, that feels better.
Yeah? Alright, cool. Okay, let's set up the rest of these players, okay?
Yeah.
Alright, we got all the white players connected. It's time for the green ones, okay, Will?
Yeah. Green's going a little bit hard.
Alright, cool. Push it down. And now you can connect that. Push it all the way in. There you go. Alright, it's almost there. A couple more green players to go. Alright, we've got all the players on. Last thing to do, Will, is connect the little scoreboard.
So when we won, when we got a point.
Yeah. So that just simply goes in the little holes. Let me get one side in. Get the other side in. That's it. You got it. You can change the score like that. Table is a little dusty, so we're gonna clean it and we're gonna play. Okay, but there's the finished product.
Let me see how.
You want to try it out?
Yeah.
Okay. William's still eating his veggie chips, and we got the foosball table all set up. Look at that. That is nice. Ready to play? Jeez. All right. you want to eat or do you want to play?
Both.
Okay, let's.
One more.
All right. That's impressive.
Hey, 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 hey.
Got a point. Yeah.
You're not gonna get a point. I'm gonna win.
You're not gonna win nothing.
I'm gonna win, I just said.
How did you? What? What the? No, man, you're too good. I'm gonna find you somebody that might be able to beat you, because I can't beat you. You're really good. Okay. I'm gonna bring your challenger right now. Willy, your new challenger has arrived. It is Mama. You ready to play? There's a grand prize for the winner. You ready, Willy?
Yeah. Stick the ball.
All right. Starting at 0-0.
Foosball. Yes, that's my goal. Go. Alright.
Oh! She's got a point.
Hey,
Right here, I got a point. This is my side. 1 point.
Is that her side?
Yeah, that's fine. Here, Will. You get to put the ball in the hole. The first one to 3 points wins. Okay.
Good play. I can't play. I gotta win. Hey. Hey, what's
Go,
that?
Will. Go.
I don't want to let you beat me. Hey. Go.
This is getting intense.
Hey. You do not lose weight. Hey.
What are you doing? She's cheating.
That's cheating.
She's cheating, Will. You know, you should get a free point. Go get yourself a point, Will. She cheated.
I didn't know those were mine.
No, you're only supposed to touch the ones with the black handles.
Wow.
That's your side. Can you
I
believe
get-
that she
I
cheated?
get a free point.
Yeah, you get a free point. Okay.
That's you can't.
Here,
you can't
serve it
touch
again.
Mine.
Here we go.
Hey.
Go, Will.
Okay.
Get it. Score it. No. Don't. Go. Kick it in there. Kick it hard. Oh, you missed it. No, not that way.
Chicky.
Come on, Will.
This one's not working. Working. I'll kick. Oh. I'm almost gonna win, chicken baby. You're not gonna win. You can't touch my mama. Remember, the rules are no touching other people's and no grabbing while you're playing. Hey, did you touch mine?
No.
Did she touch mine?
I don't think so. Go, Will. Score. Go. Oh, look. Oh, that was close.
Hey.
Go. Kick it in. No, wrong way.
Hey, you can't go down. Like, that's your left. That's your side. Just having a little problem here. Don't touch even mine. Hey. Slow down. I can't see. I'm not this tall. I'm not this tall taking dinner. Hey, you can't see the ball. Where's the ball? Ah. Hey, I can't see that. I can't see anything. Oh no.
Go. There you go. It's coming your way. Kick it, kick it. Kick it in.
How is that?
This one.
There's having a problem here. I should get extra help.
Oh, yeah! Yeah, Willy's got 2 points. The next point, and you win. Final round, Will. You need 1 more point. Mama needs 2 more points.
Kick, 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 kick. Dribble, 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 dribble. Hey. Kick your ball out. Yeah, kick your ball out. Try to make it to me. I can't even. Never break a ball like that.
Will, you won.
I won?
Yeah, you won, Will. So you're the champion.
Where's the prize? I am champion! Yes, 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 yes. I won the challenge. I got challenge!
There's your prize, Willy. You got a balloon and some Skittles. Congratulations, Will.
Yeah, I need Skittles.
Woohoo! Willy is the champion.